Hi guys, welcome to Lulu La Vida. Here we are in this cold, rainy day, and I felt like cooking some nice, warm, comfort chicken soup. Look at this pot of goodness, this pot full of nutrients, vitamins, perfect for this kind of weather. And another thing, trying to detox our body of all the stuff that we ate during the holidays, and try to shed some pounds, For example, I need it. That's for sure. So, first thing I did is I went to the market. I went to the meat market and I got myself two whole chicken breasts. I went ahead and rinsed them really good. Then I placed them in a big pot, filled that up with water, and went ahead and add a little bit of salt. And we placed them in the on the stove. Now the heat, I had it like medium, and then as it went by, maybe about an hour to an hour and a half, you cook it. See this little foam that comes up? I clean my broth. I go ahead and remove it as it comes out. Not sure if it's the fat, the blood, whatever it is. I don't want to see it. I don't want to eat it. So I go ahead and keep removing it as it goes. Okay. So like I said, once this is about for an hour and 25, you go ahead and take it off, remove the skin, the bone, and just put it in pieces. We're going to go ahead and get our vegetables ready, cut them, rinse them, peel them, whatever you got to do to them. This is the ones we're using now. We have our chicken bouillon and our salt. Okay, so we're going to add those. It's a tablespoon each. See, chicken bouillon, tablespoon of salt, and then the other vegetables. So this is what you're going to add to your, and it depends, if you want something else, go for
Everybody,
it.
welcome to 2021, Lulu La Vida. I haven't seen you guys in a while. Why? Because I'm so stuffed still with the tamales, the buñuelos, the cheesecake, all the sugar cookies, everything we've eaten. So I wanted to give myself and you guys a rest. But you know what? I want to thank everybody because we're already at 651 subscribers. So I can't let you down. So here we are continuing to add new recipes. That doesn't mean I haven't been cooking through this month, but I've been cooking stuff that's already loaded in my channel. So today I haven't loaded this recipe for you guys. So it's a very easy recipe, but if you do it the way I'm showing you guys, you're gonna love it. It's caldo de pollo, chicken soup. In California, the weather today, I think the high is like what, 40 some, 50. So it's rainy and it's cold and it's perfect for some chicken soup. Okay. So right now what I did is I went to the butcher and I got chicken breast, two whole chicken breasts with skin and bone. I rinsed them and then I put them in a big pot with water and a little bit of salt. And I'm removing the excess stuff that comes out, cleaning them up. And then once I do that, I go ahead and continue adding the vegetables. These are the vegetables that we're gonna add, and I'm gonna tell you the vegetables in the order you add them. Okay, so we're gonna go with the stuff that's hardest to cook. We're gonna add the potatoes with the skin because the skin has a lot of nutrients, guys. Don't peel them. Any potatoes you guys want. These are the ones I had handy, so these are the ones I'm using. Carrots, you do carrots, you can cut them in half. You do some celery and a corn. And that's basically it. And then you add a little bit of onion. Okay, we have your salt and your chicken bouillon, and right here this is like a tablespoon of each, but if you want to add more, it's up to your preference how you want it to be bold in the chicken flavor or not. Once that cooks, which is going to be about an hour or so, you remove the chicken breast and we shred them apart, remove the skin, remove the bones. You go ahead and add them back, add the chicken with the vegetables. You go ahead and turn it off, and the last two things you're going to add to your pot is going to be the cabbage and the cilantro, because these items are very easy to cook and you don't want them to be too soggy when they cook. So what you do is you just turn off the flame and then cover it up, and that should be it. Get some key limes, because I love key limes. Get some key limes, get some nice avocados, some corn tortillas, maybe make a lemonade and a fresh molcajete salsa. You guys, I have all those recipes in my videos already. So you're gonna go get your arroz, your Mexican rice, all that stuff together, and you're gonna have a delicious chicken soup. Trust me on this one. Follow this recipe, give me your comments, let me know what you think. And again, it's nutritious and it's not fattening. It's good for you. It has a lot of nutrients, it has all these vitamins that we need during this time. So hope you guys enjoy it. We'll see you guys later. Bye. Okay guys, guess what? It's ready. This chicken soup is ready. So we're gonna go ahead and plate it. Remember I told you the last things I add are the cabbage and the cilantro because you don't want them to get too soggy. So here we are, we're gonna get a little bit of the vegetables. See how I make the chicken? We go ahead and take it off the skin. We take it off the bone. That way it's easy to eat, you know, plate it up. Here's our potatoes, our carrots, and we have our corn. We're gonna add our corn in a side dish. So here you go. Look at guys. And with a little bit of lemon and some salsa de molcajete, I mean, this is heaven. Okay.
So after we cook our chicken and our vegetables and it's tender, the potatoes are tender, we go ahead and plate it up. And look, this is how I have it with avocado, key lime, some molcajete salsa, our Spanish rice or Mexican rice, and our corn tortillas. Look at this. This is delicious. Fix lemonade with some chia seeds, and that's all you need. And it's, like I said, it's full of nutrients, vitamins, and it's really good for you. So let me know what you think. We'll see you guys next time. Thanks again for your support. Lulu La Vida.